Have you ever been misunderstood in your life? Have you ever wondered what should be done to get out of this situation? In this series of 6 videos, let's discuss ways to pragmatically deal with misunderstandings with the help of allegories from Ramayana.
In the Aranyakand of Ramayana, Valmiki Muni beautifully explains how Bharat Maharaj was misinterpreted multiple times and how exactly he arose victorious in each of these situations.
When Bharat Maharaj came to know about the demise of Dashrath Maharaj owing to the exile of Lord Ram, he went to meet Mother Kaushalya, who hugged him tightly and cried along. And all of a sudden she pushed him back and said, "Oh Prince, you should rejoice, you are going to be the king now."
Bharat was completely shattered by these strong words of Kaushalya. He somehow controls himself from collapsing on the ground and thus replies, "O mother, if in any way I am responsible for the exile of Lord Ram or for the death of my father, then let all the sins come to me." And then he goes on narrating a series of sins which he is ready to take over himself for this act. Now, as he narrates a series of sins, Kaushalya understands that her strong words have completely shattered Bharat's heart, and thus she stands up and cups Bharat's mouth, and thus replies, "O Bharat, please do not say anything further. I have completely understood that you have no role to play in this incident." And thus she makes an announcement that even moon may emit poison, even ice may emit fire, even aquatics may stop living in water, and even spiritual practices may stop eradicating sins from the life of people. But I am completely sure that my Bharat cannot do anything wrong against Lord Ram.
After leaving the room, in an attempt to comprehend the misunderstanding, Bharat asks these 3 questions to himself. 1. Why was she criticizing me? Was it out of personal profit or out of personal pain? Is the criticism from a personality that I respect? And third, is criticism her habit? After comprehending on these questions, Bharat understands that she was solely criticizing him because of the intense separation from Lord Ram.
To conclude, affirmations may not always solve the problem, but a humble and sincere approach definitely helps to placate the situation.